as my involvement here with Onus that has put me in a situation to really emphasize prevention and a proactive approach to health that basically says, well, if we can prevent strep throat from occurring by boosting immune system, it seems to make sense to do that, right? And I think there are obvious indications for both. And so here I find myself somewhat straddling the tracks with one foot on one side and one foot on the other. And they don't have to be mutually exclusive. My whole goal in this process is really trying to bridge the gap, because I do find that people tend to align with the different camps, right? People who firmly believe in purely Western conventional medicine often look at this alternative approach to things as smoke and mirrors, right? And vice versa. That's the same could be said for the counterpart. People who believe in more of the natural, holistic approach really despise conventional Western medicine. I don't think it needs to be that way at all. I think there are obvious indications to both, but it seems to make common sense to me that why not implement a more proactive approach to health and wellness to prevent the formation of disease? And I think this really comes down to this concept of longevity for us. And this has been kind of that evolution for us, is this whole concept of living better longer, right? It's not the quantity of years that's truly important, but it's the quality of those years. I see this in the ER all the time, where patients come in and they're coming from nursing homes and they're alive, right? They're living, but they are not aware or really have much in the realm of quality of life, right? So why not do everything in our power to extend the quality of the years that we have left? It doesn't make a whole lot of sense to me to live to 100 years old if the last 20 years of your life are spent in a nursing home, in a wheelchair, unable to provide for yourself, can't clean and bathe yourself, can't do the things that you would otherwise love to do. Why not spend those last 20 years still being able to do those things? And I think that whole concept of longevity encompasses all of that.